One UI 8.5 just changed something small, but it's driving a lot of users crazy. I'm talking about the battery pill in the status bar. It may look minor, but for people who care about clean UI and customization, this tweak feels like a step backward. And if you've updated recently, you've probably already noticed it. So what exactly changed, and why are people not happy about it? Earlier, Samsung gave us flexibility. You could show only the battery percentage or keep the battery pill without the number inside it. It was simple and customizable. But now on One UI 8.5, that choice is gone. The system forces the percentage inside the pill if the background is enabled. And that's where the frustration begins for many users. Let me show you what I mean. Head into Settings, then Notifications, and tap on Status Bar. You'll see a single toggle called Show Battery Background. That's it. If you turn it off, you get only the percentage. If you turn it on, you get the percentage with the battery background. There's no standalone pill option anymore. And that missing option is the real issue. There's currently no official way to display just the battery pill without the percentage. Now yes, for some people this may not matter at all, but for UI enthusiasts who prefer a minimal look, that small detail makes a noticeable difference every single day. So, what can you do if you don't like this new setup? There's no direct fix to restore the old behavior. However, there is a workaround that can actually give you a cleaner look. Instead of keeping the battery pill in the status bar, you can remove it completely and rely on widgets instead. To remove it, open the Good Lock app and launch the Quick Star module. From there, go into Visibility of Indicators. You'll see multiple status bar icons listed. Simply disable the battery icon toggle, and instantly, the battery pill disappears from the status bar. Clean, minimal, and distraction-free. Now, of course, you still need to check your battery level. That's where widgets come in. On the home screen, just press and hold, tap on Widgets, and scroll to Battery. Samsung offers several battery widgets in different sizes. I personally prefer the smallest one for a subtle, neat look. Adding it to the home screen is straightforward. Just drag and place it wherever it fits your layout. It keeps things functional without cluttering the status bar. But what if you also want battery information directly on the lock screen? That's where things get even more interesting. For lock screen customization, you'll need the Lock Star module from GoodLock. Once installed, press and hold on the lock screen and unlock to enter customization mode. If Lock Star is active, you'll see its icon. Tap on the battery area and choose the App Widgets option. From here, you can add widgets from system apps and even certain third-party apps. The battery widget you see on my lock screen is actually from an app called Glass Widgets. After selecting it from the list, just tap Add Widget, and it appears right on the lock screen. What's great is the flexibility. You can resize the widget, adjust its transparency, and even tweak the corner radius for supported widgets. Move it up or down, make it larger or smaller, it's completely up to you. This gives you a stylish battery display without relying on the status bar at all. I've also added a calendar widget alongside it, which shows how customizable the lock screen has become. You can mix system and third-party widgets depending on your preference. The idea is simple. If Samsung removed one style option, you can recreate something even better with smart customization. Just to be clear, this isn't a true solution to bring back the standalone battery pill. It's simply a practical workaround. Hopefully, Samsung listens to user feedback and restores the option to choose between pill only, percentage only, or both in future One UI updates. Until then, this method keeps your status bar clean while still giving you battery info exactly where you need it. If this helped you rethink your setup, make sure you're subscribed to Sam Talks TV for more practical tips like this. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.